Hello friends, and welcome back to the Ray Law International channel. Today we are going to talk about an area of immigration law that you might not be too familiar with. This is an area of immigration law that shows the compassion of our nation. Let's find out how our nation's compassion is expressed through the designation of the Deferred Enforced Departure Status, or DED for short. If you are from a designated DED country, you are allowed to stay in the United States for a temporary period and are not subject to removal. The President has the sole discretion to decide the DED countries, since it is the President who has the constitutional power to conduct foreign relations. Presidents will often pick countries for DED status if the country is war-stricken or has faced a natural disaster. There may also be other political reasons for a president to designate a country for the status. Either way, it is the president's sole authority to be able to select a country for this status. Currently, there are only two countries that hold DED status, Liberia and Venezuela. It was former President George W. Bush that initially granted DED status to Liberia. Presently, the status for Liberians has been extended until June 30th, 2022. Now, Venezuela was also recently granted DED status. The current designation was issued on January 19, 2021 for an 18-month period. As you can see, DED designation is not granted liberally. Only two countries currently hold DED status. Since 1990, DED has only been granted 5 times. This includes our friends from China, the Persian Gulf, El Salvador, and Haiti. Now that you have a better understanding of DED status, let's discuss the benefits and limitations. If you are from a designated country, you have protection from deportation for the designated period as authorized by the President. You are also automatically allowed to file for your work authorization. If you would like to travel, however, you are required to apply for advance parole. It is important to note that being from a DED designated country alone does not provide a path to a green card. Being from a protected country only provides temporary protection from deportation and work authorization. It does not provide a person with any sort of legal immigration status, such as an H-1B or K status. For Liberians, however, there is good news for those who are eligible for DED protection. Under the recently enacted Liberian Refugee Immigration Fairness provision, Liberians can apply for permanent resident status as long as they apply before December 20th, 2021. There is no such path yet for our Venezuelan friends. If you are frustrated about your immigration options and cannot seem to get a clear answer to your questions, give us a call. And if you are from Venezuela or Liberia and find yourself in a complicated situation, don't let fear or money keep you from finding that immigration path to freedom and a new life here in the U.S. Now, more than ever, it is imperative that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing it with friends. Stay informed, stay educated, and until next time, stay on the right immigration path.